I've got a pretty cool traffic platform for you. What's going on, guys? Dylan DeFazio here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you an amazing buyer leads traffic platform. All right, now I've been using this for about 50 days now, and it is something that I'm getting consistent traffic, consistent leads, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys that platform today. I'm also going to be setting up a done-for-you system which you guys will be able to leverage to market this and get referrals, because when you actually join, you're going to get a $50 bonus, okay? This $50 bonus is going to activate you as an affiliate so that you can start making those affiliate commissions, okay? The affiliate commission platform in this business is very profitable, as it is a uniline, which means anybody that joins under you, you're going to make commissions from them forever. All right, so I've actually had one referral which has now paid me like $30 in the last about week or so. So I'm going to show you guys the earnings. I'm going to show you, the ins and the outs, what you guys need to focus on to actually, not only get those $10 bonuses when you buy traffic. I'm going to show you what it takes to actually get those, where you're going to get your traffic and things like that, how to actually set up an ad. I'm going to purchase an ad live for you guys on the video. So let's jump over to my screen here and I'll walk you guys through the process. All right, everyone. So we're on my screen here, and what you're looking at is the back office of this platform. The platform is called BitBox Social. Now, this is a new crypto platform which allows you to deposit your Bitcoin. You're able to purchase ads, which are simply people clicking and viewing your ads. But the cool thing about this is the only people that are viewing your ads are buyers, okay? What this means is people that are viewing your ads have actually gone through and purchased a pro display ad, which you guys see here. I'm getting, hundreds of clicks or hundreds of impressions and tons of clicks on a daily basis. As you guys see here, I've actually recently purchased quite a few packages. So if we go over to my loyalty credit promotion, you'll see that within the last 3 days, all right, because I purchased these 3 days ago, I've actually purchased 4, and we're going to be purchasing 5 packs in this video. I'm going to be purchasing one. So 5 packs in the last, 4 or 5 days at $50 a pack, okay? So it does take some time to grow this to the point where you're getting, $10 to $20 to $50 a day, and you're able to consistently buy these packages. But the cool thing is you're going to get a ton of traffic. So if we just see here, if we go back over to the dashboard, you're going to realize that the amount of traffic that I'm getting, right? So we went from, getting 8 clicks, right? 1 click, and then boom, now we're up to 40 clicks within the last couple days. So you're going to get a limited amount of views, clicks, whatever, within a 5-day period. All right. So what I'm going to walk you through right here is, as you guys see here, we've got $30 earned from the affiliate platform. Now remember, these are not guarantees. You're not going to be able to, make as much money. It all depends on the effort that you put in. All right, so if you guys want to make money and you guys want to, be consistent at this, I highly recommend, going through, setting this platform up. If you guys don't have something to promote, what you can do is you can actually go over to the sixfiguremarketersclub.com/fast cash. If we open this up in a new tab, this is my low cost $25 offer. So this is one of the platforms that I'm actually promoting on the BitBox platform, okay? So if you guys want to use that, you can actually get that system set up for $25. You can get a 14-day free trial of Drop Funnels, of Aweber, of all the tools that we need to actually build these systems. So, if you're brand new and you're not really sure, this is the first time you're seeing a video or something like that, just remember, right? Jump into it and just take everything slowly, right? The first thing you want to do is remember, this is a traffic platform, okay? This is a platform where you're going to, post your links on here to get leads, all right? So you want to make sure that you understand that. So you want to make sure that you're sending people to a capture page, right? Because you want to be extracting those leads and building your email list. You don't just want to be sending them to a straight up offer, okay? So what I'm going to show you is how to actually purchase one of these ads. So I'm just going to buy a pro display ad. Now, before we jump into it, I just want to ask you guys, my goal for this video is to get 10 likes, all right? I just want to see if we can get 10 likes on this video. So if you've made it this far, just hit that like button. It'll really help me, get this video out to as many people as possible and hopefully help people make some money, all right? If you guys have any questions or anything, also let me know in the comment section below. I do read all the comments and I will reply to you. Just please leave spamming or links out of my comments as your comment will be deleted, all right? So as we jump into this, right, I'm just going to clone a campaign. So I'm going to clone my Easy One Up campaign. And as you guys see here, very simple, right? Campaign name, Easy One Up. That is the, the platform that we're promoting right here. The headline is Fast Cash to, replicate that. $25 entry, get your own done for you marketing system for free. So they are all true, right? It costs $25 to get started. You get free trials of all the tools that we use. And I also give you guys some free traffic training, all right? So if we go over here and we go to the free training membership and we go down to this, I have a 5-video sequence which is going to give you guys tons of training and stuff like that. So all of my top 5 traffic vendors and obviously BitBox is in there. So what we want to do now is we have our affiliate link here. Again, it's the sixfiguremarketersclub.com/fastcash. And then you just want to make sure that your ad is actually going to display. So if it is a HTTPS link, your URL will display with method number 1. If it is just a HTTP ad, it will work with method number 2. So you want to make sure that you, select that method, right? Just click this right here. It's going to pop it up. Okay, this ad works perfect. And now we're going to go down and click preview. So we see our ad here, Fast Cash, start today for $25, get your own done for you marketing system for free. All right, so it's going to show us how much it costs, and we're going to click buy now. Okay, so as you guys see here, text box style ads, we deliver 50 buyer click views to your ad minimum. All right, you're going to get way more than that because the site is growing and there's tons of people buying these ads. You're going to get unlimited impressions for 5 days. So you're going to get a minimum of 50 buyer views, right? So even if it takes 10 days to get 50 clicks, you're going to get 50 clicks. All right, that's just, per ad. So each pro display ad acquires 1 loyalty credit. Terms apply. So if you're in the US, they're not actually in the loyalty credit promo, just due to, the US regulations and stuff like that. So that is just a disclaimer there. If you guys are in the US, you will not get the loyalty promotion. That's where you're actually earning, funds off of these ads on a daily basis. So then what you get is a one-time work bonus, okay? So you have 24 hours to complete these work bonuses. I did 2 of them today already. So if we go here to click to earn, you guys will see I have earned $20 of $30 today, okay? So I've already done 2 work bonuses. All you have to do is watch 60 ads. It takes like maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes or so, right? So you just simply open up one of these ads. And if you're asking me, does this system work? Does this, when you view these ads, do people actually buy? And the answer to that question is yes, because even myself, right, I've gone through some of these ads and, whether it be like a cool software or whatever, I've actually entered my email and even made purchases on platforms like these. BitBox Social is not, game changing. It's nothing crazy new. It's just done in a really unique method which follows terms which will allow it to stay open for a long time, okay? This is a revenue share business, right? So when you actually purchase your ad, you're going to get those funds back. So as you guys see there, boom, we just, watched 2 ads. So if we go over here and we go to the dashboard, now that I've purchased a new ad, you're going to see the Bitcoin balance counter is now going even faster. Okay, so if you guys watched at the, when we first started this video, right, we had $50 in here. That $50 is gone. We have our claim work bonus. Now, if I don't claim this work bonus within 24 hours, what's going to happen is it's actually going to get sent up to one of the members that is above me, and it's going to go into their extra work bonuses. So it's very important that you actually go through and you claim your work bonuses, or somebody else is going to get your $10. As you guys see here, I've made $80 of my work bonuses, but I have 12 packs, which means I lost $40, okay? Because when I first got started, I wasn't really sure of, what was kind of going down with the platform. So I let those bonuses expire, and I cost myself $40 because I didn't really understand what was going down. So that's another reason why I wanted to make this video, so you guys understand exactly, what's going on and stuff like that. So make sure that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you guys want to join me on the leaderboard, if we just go over to the leaderboard here. So we are number 14 right now. If you guys watched the first video, I think we were number 20 or so. So we're slowly climbing the ladder here. The Godfather Rockstar is number 1. That is Frank Calabro Jr., who actually signed me up into this business. So he is on the leaderboards. And if you guys want to start making money, if you guys want to start, joining, remember, you get that $50 bonus where you're going to get your affiliate link, right? If we scroll down here, you're going to get your affiliate link. And then if you're, signing people up using my Fast Cash system, you're going to be able to send out emails to those new subscribers promoting BitBox and other offers. And I'm also going to be setting up a system promoting BitBox, okay? So if you guys are interested in that, if you guys want to see a system for BitBox, let me know in the comment section below. And make sure you hit that subscribe button down below this video, because when I do go live with that BitBox video or with that new BitBox system, I will be launching it on the YouTube channel. All right, so thank you for tuning in. Dylan Afazio here, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure, if you made it this far, please, it'll do me a huge solid. Just hit that thumbs up button. It takes less than a second, but it really helps me out by getting this video out to as many people as possible. So thank you again. Dylan Afazio here, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.